Okay, hey guys, so yeah, let's have a look. Today we're gonna do trading. Why is that? It's because if you see the Forex Factory, okay, today 10 o'clock we got news, tomorrow NFP and Friday NFP, so today's the last day that I'm gonna see, and we got news at 10 o'clock, so we're gonna be able to have probably a nice silver bullet trade. But right now, let's have a look at the London session. Okay, so this is the previous week low. I'm gonna draw it out. Okay, so we have traded through the previous week low stop, and we are okay. So we cleared the previous week low here, fell short of this old weekly low. Now we are back above the previous week low, and yeah, do all this. Today Monday is a bank holiday, so I'm not gonna use the new week opening gap here. Okay, so we can use the Wednesday, which is today's. Yeah, we can use Tuesday's end dog. Okay, so let's get it. Today's end dog. Let's draw it out first. Tuesday. Okay. Scale 1 minute. Six p.m. Okay, so see you there. Okay, so let's draw the Wednesday new day opening gap, which is the closing price of this, and put 3rd of September. Open here. Okay, and we're gonna lock it. Okay. So let's go back to the daily chart. Reset price here. Yes, clustering of a lot of things, but bear with me, okay? Yeah, because I only have one template, that's why this is what I can do. Okay, so right now we are trading, we are at the previous week low. So if we trade below it on this daily chart, then the draw is going to be this week, CE of this week, okay? And the CE of this week comes at 6409.5. 09.5. There you go. So draw this daily CE week. Okay, so if we rejects below this previous week low, then to the upside is going to be, to the downside is going to be this daily C week. Okay, so we got the new day opening back gap above us, and as you can see the daily chart, we cleared a high. Right now we are inside this BC. We respected it here, went all the way down from sell side and came back up above it. So right now what I'm going to see is that this BC This old daily BC here still, this old daily BC here feels like it's holding price. Okay, so I want to see resistant reactions here, specifically where the CE of it. Okay, so at the moment the daily chart feels like it's gonna reach lower for this daily CE week. Okay, but we will see at this P2DL. Okay, we will see at this P2DL, which is previous day low. Okay, so we'll see how price will want to reach, because right now seeing price, right, yes, we did indeed went through the previous week low here, and right now it seems quite firm to downside. But you can see yesterday, that's why yesterday is Monday, and Monday literally so I'm just gonna ignore Monday's price action. Okay, ignore Monday's price action and just see what we can do here. Okay, so this is Tuesday, and oh, sorry, this is not Tuesday's price action. Oh yeah, it was Tuesday's price action. Yeah, so the day after the holiday also, morning session. Must be really careful. But now you can see we form cells right here. At the old weekly low, you can see cell site is being engineered here beautifully. So definitely even on high time frame, and on 4 hour chart, things is looking bearish to me. Okay, here to here, you can see we didn't even reach for the C of it. Enter the lower quadrant of it. Okay, and this is basically the daily O field BC. So right now I'm be seeing this for like the volume balance here. We trade up into it, trade up here, rejects lower. See this CE week here. KTC might be important here. Let's change the color a bit. Wait, okay, all right. Okay, so you guys know what I'm seeing. This is the CE week. Okay, let's go 1 hour chart. Ugly. We got a daily BC below us. We train to the sell side, rejects lower. Closed below this BC already, but came back up to the end dog. Yep, I'm still favoring to downside. Sell side buy side is being formed here. So we shall see, okay, we shall see. Clear buy side first, then continue lower. That's what I'm expecting. Okay, so we did clear some sell side. We'll left out this end dog here. Closing way in this end dog also. It's man ugly man the price. But right now buy side is here. Expect price to reach up there. We literally came back down all the way into this BC here. The first fair value gap after 2 o'clock. And then came here and right now focus on top here. And also I can do is see the midnight range. If it's big, if it's small, I'll just fuck it. Yuck. The midnight range very small, so not gonna consider it. So I'm gonna expect this bisect to be killed first. Then I'm gonna expect displacement to the downside, fair value gap and stuff. Not enticing enough to enter. Like here can be a inversion BC to aim for lower price, but then here we got just two fucking clean bisect. Okay. Let's see how it look on the daily chart. Okay, so basically on daily chart right now, does it feels like it's a trending to me? no, it feels like it's consolidation kind of price action. So be patient. No, nothing to worry about. We still got time. Okay, but basically that's it. Anyway, here I'm gonna expect a turtle soup scenario to trade lower. Okay. Ugly, ugly. No displacement, no fair value gap. Yeah, we did have sort of like a displacement and fair value gap here. You can see we closed above it. Okay, so now using this BCB act as inversion fair value gap to reach for higher here. Okay. NQ. Okay. Dow also all firm upside. And dollar looks like it's coming down. Let's wait for the buy side to be cleared here, okay? I'm waiting for that first. So from this fair value gap here, 6,430. This is lower the place here. Here. Favoring downside definitely, but we gotta wait for this buy side to be cleared here first. Stop loss here, as you can see, balance price range. Let's refine this 5-minute CB. So I'm gonna refine that 15-minute CB to this 5-minute CB. Here, stop loss. Here, but let's get it a bit higher a bit. Okay. Very nice. I'm gonna create limit order. Okay, there we go. So entering at the lower quadrant of it, just at the lower quadrant of it. And actually stop loss, this is order block. My stop loss can be just placed here, right above this main order block. Okay. So this is a turtle soup trade. So this is a 3 minute. And yeah, I think where my entries is consider not bad. I just take it. So here I'm seeing an enduring buy side. Anyway, my take profit level all is already placed. Now let's see where is the sell side. Okay. So the first sell side or the first lowest hanging fruit target is going to be CE of this week. So CE of this week is roughly here. Okay, really. Let's measure. Okay, yes, CE of the week comes at. Okay, CE of the weeks comes at here. And my take profit is just right above it. So that's it. CE of the week, then the next one will be the end docs here and the fair gap here. Okay, but it's okay, it's fine. Entering at turtle soup trade. This buy side here. You can see all this actually is a bunch of balance buy, so my stop loss I can place here. So no problem. But it's okay, I will just let it do what it wants to do. Just placing it. You can see. Okay, so that's it. Let's rest now and come back later to see. Here I will enter long for the current end. 5 points. Look for 5 points. It's gonna give me the 5 point and that will be it. And bam, there we go. So if I enter this fair gap here, stop loss gonna be placed here. Cause we traded above that buy side level. And bam, there we go. Okay. Okay. Dollar going lower. Higher Forex. Sorry, higher Nasdaq. So there it is, 5 handles. Yep, I didn't get it, but if I was seeing the chart, definitely I will enter here. Okay, that's it.